Ladies and stick more gentlemen, don't say a word about me here, cause if you say something, I slap you in your face. Anyone finds me and say, but welcome back, you know what I'm saying, man. My name is Mr. Moore Banger, man, and we're here with a brand new video, man. You know what I'm saying, man. Before we get to the video, dog, make sure you say like, subscribe, comment, and share with your granny, your uncle, your father, your sister, your brother, your cousin. I'm not got you all family, cause I'm got you all family, you know what's up. We're going, yeah. But if you remember way back in in September, when I did video your name. Ask my friend trick question. You see me I say me did do it with Alonzo. Who else me did do it? Do is Walla. Sure say a couple more people is there, but me say why me can't bring it back. You see me? And guess what I'm going to do? I'm bringing it back. War. Today, I fall back with it. Right now, this is the video I watch. Right, exactly now. So I not call one of the dogs in right now and see if we can get this show on the road.
No faster, man.
Alright. We're gonna see. Club, my first in the card. I forgot first in the card. Don't answer iPhone yet. Don't answer iPhone yet. Don't answer iPhone. Oh, you answer iPhone right on time. Cause here what going on now. Remember what they tell us say we out. I call and record that video?
No.
Yeah man, your time is no. Yeah, Clark.
Clark.
Yeah man, didn't mean to catch you now, cuz.
Me not tell us if you tell me when.
Oh, cuz. Alright, so Mr. Alonzo, are you ready, sir?
Pronto.
Alright, so first question is, some people like to keep me trimmed, others keep me long. Everywhere seems to get covered in it. What am I?
Yes.
Smartphone. Smartphone. Alright. You use your hand to whack me off. The bigger I am, the louder I make people scream. What am I? Dog, I think you're
Repeat that.
You use your hand to whack me off. The bigger I am, the louder the louder I make people scream. What am I?
It was
10 seconds.
No. Tears. Cry.
Don't you love when I come around?
What?
I want tears. Something me don't know. Jet life.
Say give up.
Me give up.
Clout away most there. Alright. It was a spider.
Style that.
People use their hands to go up and down me. I'm very long and very hard. What am I?
People use them hand to go up and down me. I'm very long and very hard. If me say keep me wrong. So me I just say, well, fuck this man.
No one, yeah.
All the frustration and me can't deal with it.
No
People use them
Pause
hand.
leave me a fuck.
You know that the one they hard.
You sure? Me I tell you, just make any guess. Any guess you want to guess.
People use their hands to go up and down me.
So dog, let me ask you a question. How much floor there in your house? Is that just a 2-story house or a single story? 2-story? Yeah man, so I'm gonna repeat the question, man. People use their hands to go up and down me. Very long and very hard. What may be?
Tears?
No? You use your hand for go upstairs? Yeah. The real thing.
Bad man never question of creep.
Alright, bet.
Next one.
Every man has me. I'm a word that begins with the letter P. And for me to grow, me need stimulation. Meow.
Well, alright. They know say them a question that it nasty. Me know them a question that it nasty. Also, anywhere you get them a question that from, it nasty. Me a go with penis. That is what me a go with. Penis. Because me not understand. There's no other answer to that question. Penis.
I'm not gonna lie, this question is kind of shit though, because I don't know how they got this answer.
That's the answer.
No, it's not.
What the fuck are the answer? There's no other answer to that question. No other answer to that question. Then. Penis is the answer. Tell me something wrong.
You're wrong.
So answer.
Pupils.
But not today. Knock off that. Funny, I'm not gonna know.
What gets wetter when things get steamier? Or when things are steamy?
What gets wetter when
Things get steamy. Take your mind out the gutter, gang. Trying to show you.
glass?
You know that's kind of true. It's kind of true. It's not the answer, but it's kind of true though. It's kind of true. So I'm gonna give you that. I'm gonna give you that.
Yeah, give me that.
I'm gonna give you that. That's kind of true. You been taking L since I called you.
Brass clad.
Bomber clap. Now read that. You know what? May I read that? Come on, see your reaction. I once let over 1,000 different people inside me. Why? Until I was ripped open by something long and hard. What am I? Nah, for real. What are you?
You want what?
So let me do the quotation marks. You see the quotation marks. Quote. I once set over 1,000 different people. Yeah man, you don't know some of the fucking storage shit run out. But back to Alonzo now, yeah man, me say, quote, I once let over 1,000 different people inside me until me did rip open by something long and hard. What is that something? Or what is this somebody? Can't me that. And don't look it up either, bitch. You come off a pass. Oh. Okay. So you want a hint?
Door.
So which door you know I get ripped open by something long and hard? If he's a basketball player, this or
I'm
WWE.
trying my best not to give you a dirty answer. But that's the answer. Pum pum. I don't understand. Me tell us now you go ask me because I'm over long. So yes or no?
Bro, it's the Titanic, gang.
Excuse me?
It was the Titanic.
Banga. Where did I get the question from? To whom ever make the question and to where get it from? Hold on, go something. Got you. I cannot bother with this.
Because dog, enough people they on the Titanic. I'm not gonna argue. I ain't read half of these questions, but it's okay though. Cause now we're both learning. Now we're both learning. You enjoy yourself so far, Alonzo?
Me made that with me.
Yeah, as it should. Okay, this one's very simple. If you don't get this, fuck off my phone. Why? Arnold Schwarzenegger, can't pronounce that shit, has a big one. Donald Trump has a small one. And who the fuck is Seal? Seal doesn't have one at all. What am I?
Who?
Arnold Schwarzenegger has a big one. Donald Trump has a small one. And Seal doesn't have one. What am I? Very, very simple. Very, very simple.
Oh, nose.
So Arnold Schwarzenegger have a big nose, dog?
Me don't know, dog.
Listen.
Okay, hold on. One mustache.
Nope. Donald Trump don't got a mustache. Neither does Schwarzenegger. No, he kind of does.
Toupee.
No. Thinking too easy. Think simple. Alonzo, what you say your name be again?
Alonzo.
No, like.
Asna.
Oh shit.
Top coach.
Are your government that?
My government Asna. OZNAL as my first name and Nala my last name.
Alright, boom. Like I said that no, when I read the question one more time. Arnold Schwarzenegger has a big one.
Name. What the fuck? Name. That what it
Are you what do you to yourself in a dog?
That was quite.
What is something that people keep in their trousers that partners love to blow?
Oh fuck me dead. When they want to blow?
Yeah.
Whistle.
So bad man, you walk around with whistling in your trousers, dog?
Referee.
You're right. You are right. Alright, so we're going to take a break from the dirty questions because Lanza had our team is in
Yeah, but that doesn't make no sense.
They make sense. Lanza's just dance. Lanza like my afro dog for kind of uneven. Kind of uneven. fuck right, you know, but don't worry about it.
We're not gonna play your back.
Me I play your back soon, you know, probably after that video. But what gets wetter the more it dries? The more it dries, what gets wetter?
My eyes.
So when time your eye them are dry, then get wetter.
Then get the water. When the eye them dry, them water. And then burn on the water. When the eye get dry, it burn and it water. That's what I said.
So how the fuck your eye them get dry, dog? How your eye them get dry? What you want to make your eye them get dry?
What your eye get dry?
Where you
Get
do?
dry, right?
How old age?
Some get dry all the time.
How old age, man? But anyways, that's an answer still, so.
What answer?
Go on, guess again, man. Me not give you, because that one is easy. Easy your fuck.
Nice.
You beat from morning?
You rag?
Nope. Okay, I rag no dry shit.
Stop.
You stove no dry shit. You did close while ago, the rag, you know. You did close your fuck. Yo, why me something I move so? I flat
When
out.
you rag?
What?
You close to the rag?
Yeah, you did close to the rag.
So what? The bathroom?
Your buckler bathroom dry, dog? Your bathroom dry, brother?
Oh, my towel.
Jesus Christ!
So fucking question it proper now, man.
Dog, me I read it. Oh, it there, dog.
Dry, the more.
What gets wetter the more it dries? You're just fucking dunce.
Good.
What can be broken but never held?
Promises.
Okay, see there. Don't be tough.
Right. Them they are easy question now. They're not proper question.
You're fucking dunce,
Yeah,
yo.
man, yeah, man.
Alright. What is it that lives if it's fed and dies if you give it a drink?
Fish.
This fucking sad.
Alright, bad boy. Remember me tell you say we record a video today. Yeah, man, me just do Alonzo a while ago now. It's your turn. Are you ready, young man?
Wait. Yeah, record right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, man, you ready? You ready? You sound like you're ready. You ready, cuz?
Yeah.
But you want some question now, you come smile up like someone a laugh with you and warm to you.
Eh?
Answer my question, you ready, yes or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nah, I'm gonna lie.
Be a lie. Cause this not normal. This not normal at all. Them question are not normal at all. Oh, me tell this like question me ask. Yeah man, a question I ask. Anyways. What is the best part of your body to put not that that? Never mind. Alright, boom. Some people like to keep shut up. No, some people like to keep me trim, others keep me long. Everywhere seems to get covered by it. What am I?
Wait, what?
Well, yeah. Some people like to keep me trim, others keep me long. Everywhere seems to get covered in it. What am I?
Some people like to keep me trim.
Others
Some people like to keep me
long.
long.
Like my boss them. Everywhere seems to get covered in it. Like what am I?
My arm here.
So dog, your arm here long dog.
What you get covered by my hand?
No dog. Try again.
My body here.
Go faster, man.
No. F with that. F with that.
What do you mean by that, Lalo? Lalo, what do you mean by that? Lalo, what do you mean by that? Lalo, what do you mean by that? Lalo, what do you mean by that?
Just a reflex question. Doing ways of maybe that two more 4 months that I went there cause.
So that I first thing come to you. You're a nasty bitch.
Alright, so you say it long. Some people love to keep it long.
Yeah. Some people like to keep it trim. And it seems to get covered. Everything seems to get covered in it. What is it?
Wait, it's a part of the body, right?
No dog.
Eh?
No dog.
So it's a part of your body?
No dog. If you make Alonzo get that question right and you not get it right, something wrong.
Wait, read back over. Come on, show your body we are talking about.
No, cause some people like to keep me trimmed, others keep me long. Everywhere seems to get covered in it. What am I? No, lay fuck, get done, fuck.
Me here?
Dog, if me just... Dog, a grass.
No.
Dog, a grass. Dog, a grass.
Yo,
A grass.
that's
A grass.
Angela
A grass. A grass. A grass. A grass, brother. A grass.
I know some last say
A grass, brother. Dog, shut up, dog. Get done, brother. If you use your hand to whack me off, the bigger I am, the louder make people scream. What am I?
Mood. Wait, read over that one there again. Read over that one there again.
Dog, what? You use your hand to whack me off. The bigger I am, the louder me make people scream. What am I?
The more I use my hand to wipe you off.
No, you use your hand for whack me off. Now, let me read it in English, because like, it come like the pattern I register video. You use your hand to wipe me off. The bigger I am, the louder I make people scream. What am I?
The bigger I am, the more louder I make people scream. Them question all these, man.
God, that you to done. Father God.
There's the answer for that one there.
Dog, it's a spider, dog.
Spider?
Yeah. Me don't know who use hand for beat or spider off a wall, you know, but if you do,
That
God do
question
it.
sounds stupid.
Down there, yeah, man. People use their hands to go up and down me. I'm very long and very hard. What am I? Stop it. Stop it, you freaky little bitch. Stop it.
Yes, if people love to what?
Use their hands to go up and down me. I'm very long and very hard. Whatever.
This question, that's so why you do. Wait, you have to give me an in pan now on the car, man.
How much floor do you in the house?
Huh?
Is that 2-story house you live in now? Or is that 1-story house?
Where's that?
Is that 2-story house? 2-story? Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Step?
No, cause you're
No,
close to
reeling on the step.
Proud of for the one day. I
Yes.
come with a great pair and people love to eat me. What am I?
Huh?
I come with a great pair and people love to eat me. What am I?
Grape?
I come with a great pair and people love to eat me. What am I?
I come with a great pear and people love. Pear? I'm a pear.
No.
And people love. I come with a great pear. That means there are two people then. Two
Something.
something. And people love to eat me.
And before you say it, no one on your balls. Before you say it, on your balls.
No, nothing but food wise.
Okay. Just have to make sure.
I come with pear and people love to eat me. I'm not think I grape.
No, cause it's a lobster. Our lobster.
Eh?
Our lobster.
All lobster come with pear. Oh, the claw them? Oh. Okay.
What gets wetter when things get steamy?
Hmm?
What gets wetter when things get steamy?
Hot cover.
You know, say that bad. I once let this and me a talk still. You see me, I said, I never said that last time, but no, I say this and me a talk. I'm just reading off a website, okay? None of these words are mine. You see me? Boom. I once let over 1,000 different people inside me until I was ripped open by something long and hard. What am I?
Wait, what?
I once let over 1,000 different people inside of me until me get bust up by something long and hard. Me awa.
Vagina.
So dog is a girl with AIDS, yeah. Cause a girl they must get AIDS. Afi.
If they come in there and they box up.
Dog. Until me get bust up by something long and hard.
Freaky question, bro.
Dog is at the Titanic still, dog. At the Titanic, dog. At the
Titanic something long and hard.
Dog. Now one big long blood iceberg bust up the Titanic, dog. I mean the Titanic,
No,
dog.
but them question the freaky, bro.
No, dog. You just freaky, brother.
everything, everyone I question me, I steaming long and hard and
Yeah, man. Now you.
come inside me and bust me up and.
No, cause yeah, what? Cause yeah, what you want? Wow. This is your last question. Yeah, that's your last question. This and one more actually. What gets wetter the more draws?
What gets older, the more I try. My shirt,
Close.
towel,
Yeah. And last but not least, what can be broken but never held? I know, no. That tonight. Move. Me not care about that one day. What is it that lives if it's fed and dies if you give it a drink?
fire.
Lance, I just eat it. You see me? I say, anyways, dog, me I didn't care later. You see me? You do your thing. No, dog, you don't, dog. Go anyways. What, man? You see me? I say, you know what? I just call man. Yeah, man. You see me? Later. Yeah. You that done so too. You know, one team.